Welcome to the Tokyo subway. Today, we're going to show you how to buy subway tickets easily and efficiently. First, let's enter the subway station. Here we are at the ticket vending machine. These machines are found in most Tokyo Metro and Toei subway stations. The fare is based on the distance you travel, and each subway line is color-coded to help you navigate more easily. Next, let's operate the ticket vending machine. Press the language button on the screen and select language. Tap the button on the screen for the fare amount you need. Insert coins or bills into the slot. Finally, collect your ticket and any change from the machine. If you need help, press the call button for assistance. Now, head to the ticket gate. Insert your ticket into the slot, pass through the gate, and don't forget to take your ticket back. Now you know how to buy a subway ticket in Tokyo. Enjoy your ride on the Tokyo subway.